this is the bike, and we're gonna talk about how to fix the handlebars. After every ride, the handlebar moves. In my case, like up and down. So I had like a huge problem stabilize them, like to be fixed and not to move. So this is like a standard Harley Davidson clasp, and these are like custom 18-inch 8 bars. So the bigger the higher the 8 bars is, the more pressure is when you drive a bike, and easier it is to move the 8 bars somehow, for some reason. So what I did, I tried everything. I tried sanding paper, put the sanding paper between the clasp and the 8 bar. I wrapped around the sanding paper around the 8 bar, and that worked for a while. And tighten down the screws. That worked for a week or so, or until you washed the bike. Everything went back to previous state, like so. 8 bar moved, and I tried to put the sanding paper between. Then I also read that you can put like a piece of a aluminum can, like a Coke can or beer can, between the clasp and the 8. Just wrap it around it and tighten up. That didn't work at all. That was like horrible idea. And I mean, this is like horrible. You have to like remove all the screws or tighten them up. Like after every ride I have to do that. So I had just my screw ready or the Allen key ready and just tighten stuff after each ride. But I was thinking to myself, like, how can this be? Like, how can this bolt get loose? But they got loose like easily. And then finally I got this guy. I bought this guy. It's called Loctite Blue. It's like a paste, like a glue for the screws. And let me open it up. So basically it's like a blue glue that you put on the bolt, and you tighten up the bolt, and then just let the glue sit for like 24 hours. You don't push the bars, you don't push the bike, you don't touch the 8 bars, and the glue is gonna do its magic. And I did this like 6 months ago, and the 18-inch bars like stayed static. They didn't move, not even 1 millimeter, because I would immediately see in my mirrors if something is changed, because I would have to adjust the mirrors during the ride. So this is a perfect cure for like fixing the 8 bars. But there's like a trick, because the Loctite sells like red and the blue one. The red one is like stronger, and there could be a problem. You could never unscrew the bolts again. But with blue, it's made so you can unscrew the bolts easily with no problems. So this way, you just put a little bit blue Loctite on. You can buy it everywhere, and it's like amazing fix for your 8 bar. I went to the service, and the guy said, "Yeah, we're gonna buy a new clamp, a new bolts." It's just like they just wanna make money, and I mean this is the cure for like 8 bars. But you have to have the good 8 bars with like grit, with that rough material here, when the clasp bites down. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you learned something today. And see you in another video. I hope I've been informative today enough for this issue, because this 8 bar problem has been going on like for like years, and I had to tighten up the bolts after every ride. Now not anymore, after applying the blue Loctite. So see you in another video, and have a great day.